Howdy YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, staying warm. Got your cookies out now. And Merry Christmas to everybody, since Santa Claus will be coming down your chimneys in the next few hours. Hopefully you guys get a lot of gift cards from Santa, especially Amazon gift cards. And we have another special unboxing to do. So all you guys gotta do is click the link down below, check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item, which is my Amazon affiliate link, and add it to your cart, check out. And this comes from Tolaccea, toes and foot ice sleeve. They got the hot or the cold therapy. This could be cool, kind of looks like slippers. Hot and cold therapy, compression therapy, wearable ice foot sleeve, flexible sleeve, safe and reusable, expert grade gel, pain relief for toes and foot. So the older that we get, especially people that's been on their feet for a long time, from pretty much everybody now in this world that are on their feet a lot, especially in retail. Retail, you name it, basketball players, football players, hockey players, wrestlers. This will help you guys out, especially if like you're stuck on an airplane for a few hours. Pop these in. If I can open it up. There we go. There we go. Little tough little guy. Alright. Bada boom. Bada bing. It's a new day. There we go. Toe and foot. Like I said, see what other goodies they have to offer. I love this gel. It feels so squishy. Feels really good, guys. You can heat it in the microwave. I think it's like maybe 20 seconds or less. And Tolaccea Toes and Foot Ice Pack provides 360 degrees coverage. The flexible ice foot is ergonomic designs, perfect for feet, and it's wearable without straps. This ice foot sleeve is reusable, also microwavable, freezer safe, and allowing you to use hot or cold therapy depending on your needs. The ice pack is made of non-toxic material, latex-free, sorry about that, leak-proof, with no smells after use. Haha, so no stanky foot. So that's a good thing. Cold therapy, place an ice pack in the refrigerator at 20 degrees Celsius for 4 to 6 hours for immediate use. Frozen it longer with lower temperature. Take out the ice pack from freezer, wipe off the moisture, pull it over the required area. Wear and keep place approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Hot therapy. Start with room temperature. Place the ice pack flat in the microwave with a clean plate. Microwave it for 50 seconds. If heat is needed more, microwave in 5-second increments. Wear and keep approximately 15 to 20. How to clean. Hand wash with a damp towel. Do not submerge sleeve in water. Lay flat and air dry. Do not machine wash. Got it? Got it. Good. Alright, now let's open it up. And here's the social media links. Tolaccea. Hashtag Facebook. Alright guys. Definitely Merry Christmas to everybody, all parts of the world. Happy China New Year. And like I said, hopefully everyone's being safe, not too crazy. Ooh, kind of looks like a mitt, but not the mitt. I wonder if you could use it for your... Yeah, it's kind of like an oven mitt, but this isn't for your feet, so like a giant slipper. Oh yeah. These feel good. Oh, that's I can't wait to put these on my feet. I'm gonna do this one in the microwave, and then this one in the freezer. So I'm gonna pause. It's gonna be a long pause, but well, for me. But when I had to come back, it's gonna be on my feet. Tolaccea, and then we'll check it out. See, it kind of looks like slippers or sandals. I don't think you're slide and hurt yourself. So I mean, if it's for older couple or people, some might be want to be careful. But it'll be good for carpets and stuff like that. I don't know about floors you might slip on, but it should be good. Yay. Okay, we're gonna go heat this up, chill this one out. Be right back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and thumbs up. I forgot to say that in the other video. It's okay. Be back. Alrighty, guys. After all that, we got it out. Ooh, this is cold. One foot's cold. One foot is warm. Look at this. This is cool. I mean, it's not that... little wiggle. It's not that slippery, so... There we go. Tolaccea. Tolaccea. Here's the bottom. But really comfortable, guys. Like I said, if you know people that are on their feet a lot, this is going to be a perfect one for them to get. Super comfy. Super jelly. And all you guys got to do is click that link down below. Add it to your cart and check out. And they'll ship these to you pretty fast. So Merry Christmas to everybody. Have a good one. Be safe out there. Stay warm. And hopefully Santa brings you a lot of gifts. Be safe. Like, thumbs up, subscribe. See ya.